YouTube, it's your girl India Babes, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the Babes family. If you are returning, hey girl, hey, how you doing? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so in today's video, we are going to be partnering up with a handbag brand called Sinbono. It is a vegan leather handbag company, and they have luxury bags that are affordable and very cute and trendy. They did gift me this item, so this is not paid or sponsored or anything, so I will be giving my realistic, unbiased opinion on this bag for you guys today. And then I'm also going to be showcasing it with a couple of outfit looks and how I would style the bag. So if you are ready to see what this bag is looking like, stay tuned for the video. Alright, so this is the beautiful box that it has come in, and it has their company name on the box. Very cute packaging so far. Alright, so there's nothing in here, but this is what the bag comes in. This cute little protective pouch has their logo on it, Sinbono. And let's open the bag. Alright, look at this beautiful, beautiful bag. And I got the light beige color, and it is one of the newer bags. It is faux fur on it. It feels so soft. Like, this feels amazing. Wow. So this is the Vienna top handle crossbody bag in the light beige. It has gold detailing there, and these are the two side straps that it comes with. The top part, it opens, it has a buckle here that easily comes undone, so that's really cute and different. I believe the strap should be inside, and the zipper goes both ways, so you can either zip it all the way up this side, or have them meet in the middle. This is what the inside of the bag looks like. It has some stuffing in there to keep the figure of it. And then on the inside it has this lining, and then it has like this brown lining at the bottom. And it's pretty spacious, to be honest. So lots of space in there. And then this is the chain that it comes with. Alright, so we've got the chain on. Let me put the button back. And this is what it's looking like with the chain. It would have been cute if they had like a brown crossbody as well, but that's fine. If you don't want to rock the chain, you can just use it as a cute little handbag. Oh, and on the bottom it is brown as well. So I love the light beige and the brown detailing. Super cute. And I would probably prefer to wear it as the handle bag, because sometimes I'm not always into the gold chain. But this is super cute and trendy. I saw a perfect pair of fluffy Shein boots that would go perfect with this bag. I don't have them, but they match the fur perfectly. So definitely check out Sinbono bags. They're cute, luxury, and affordable. Most of them are, I believe, vegan, made out of vegan leather. And it's just a beautiful crafted bag. So with this video, I'm also going to be showing you a couple of styling ways you can style the bag, show you a couple different fits, and let's get into it.